Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon you. Okay, so in this lecture, I will show you on how you can calculate a moment about a line, or means an axis, using dot product. Okay, so in the previous tutorial, or in the previous lecture, I already taught you on how to calculate moment in 3D. Okay, so we have forces. Okay, we have one force or maybe multiple forces, and when we calculate the moment, so we can get moment in IJK form, in 3D form. Okay, so let's say we have a moment here. Okay, in this direction, okay, moment in this direction. So let's label it as M1, So M1. Okay. So this moment here, this moment, okay. So this moment here, the rotation of this moment, okay, we know it by using our right hand. So this is the rotation of our moment. Okay. So this one, okay. So this is the rotation of our moment. Check back, okay. So, how to calculate moment about a line or axis? Okay, let's say we have a new line. Okay, we want to resolve this moment into this new direction. Okay, so let's say we have this direction. Let's label it as x prime. Okay, x prime. So this new direction. So we want to resolve this force. Means that just like your force, okay, we want to resolve a force into a specific line, okay, like this. So this one also same. So moment here, when we want to calculate it to a specific direction, this one, okay, this one, so this one, let's label it as mx prime, okay, mx prime, okay. So to use or to calculate this one, we can use dot product. If you still remember about how to find a force in a specific direction using dot product, moment also same. Okay, we use the same principle, which is dot product. Okay, so when we want to calculate this moment here, okay, this mx prime here, okay, in this new direction here, x prime here, what we need to have is the unit vector of this new line or axis. Okay, unit vector. So it means that we need to have this one here, unit vector of this x prime. Okay, so this direction. Okay, so to calculate this mx here, okay, mx prime here, mx prime is equals to u x prime, okay, dot product with m1. Okay, so this ux prime here, dot product with m1 here. Okay, so vector dot product with vector. Okay, so what will happen is that, okay, ux prime, let's label it as ux I plus uyj plus uzk. Okay, and this m1 here, okay, dot product with m1xi plus m1yj plus m1zk. Okay, dot product, this one dot product with this one. Okay, so when we do dot product, what will happen is that this one, okay, ux here, you multiply with this one, m1x. And then plus with uy here, you multiply with this one, m1y. And then uz here, you multiply with this one, m1z. Okay, so means that ux multiply with m1x plus uy m1y plus uz m1z. Okay, so this is how you calculate moment, this one, okay, about a specific line, okay, about a specific line or axis, this one here, okay, using dot product. Okay, so to calculate dot product here, you must find the unit vector of this new direction or this line here. Okay, so this is how you calculate. Okay, so that's all for today. So in the next video, I will show you one question regarding this one here, this topic here, okay, on how to calculate a moment about a specific line or direction or axis. Okay, so see you again in the next video. Bye bye.